Hi, welcome to our Employee Spotlight. I'm David Williams, Vice President with the Computer Workshop. Today I'm joined by Suzanne Hixon. Hi Suzanne.
Hey David.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Excellent.
So Suzanne, how long have you been with the Computer Workshop?
Well, that's kind of a loaded question because I've been part-time or full-time part-time and then full-time again. So 23 years altogether.
In total, okay.
In total, going on 24.
Nice. So Suzanne, in the classroom, or I guess even outside of the classroom, what are some of your roles and responsibilities here at the Computer Workshop?
Well, I'm a trainer, so that's one of the things that I focus my time on. But I also enjoy developing special customized trainings for a lot of our clients. That seems to have kind of become my wheelhouse. I also focus on a lot of the Microsoft products like Microsoft Project, SharePoint, and a lot of the Office 365 features that don't have a lot of courseware to go along with them, so we just create something custom for whatever the client needs.
So you do a lot of the data analysis, right?
I do, yes. Tableau, Power BI, those are definitely on my list. In fact, I was teaching Tableau today.
What would you say about being with TCW makes you a proud member of the team?
I love the light bulb experience for the students. I love seeing them come back to me in another class and say, I used what we learned in the last class immediately when I went back to the office. I think that's probably one of the things that I get the biggest kick out of. So, and I can't help but teach. It's definitely one of the things that I was born to do. So, yeah, that's a good plus.
The feel-good moments.
I like my job. Yeah.
Yeah. Very cool. So in the countless hours, over 20-some years of classroom teaching, there has to have been at least one embarrassing moment that you're able to share with the audience today.
I can. I do have that. So the training stations that we used to use, we don't use them now. We have adjustable tables now, but before that we had tables that were stationary, and so in order for me to be able to see over the top, because I'm only 5'2", I had to sit on a bar stool, and I was leaning forward as we were all working on the assignment, working on labs. The room was really quiet, and I leaned forward and my foot slipped off of the bar on the bar stool, and I just very quickly slid to the ground and kind of did a, in front of everybody, and I thought, okay, nobody saw that. They're all working intently on their stuff, but my feet kind of hit the ground hard, and one of the students about the second row back went, the instructor just fell off her chair, and everybody started laughing. So they had all seen it. They were all trying to keep their heads down and snicker to themselves until Dave outed me. So
somebody lost it.
Yeah, it was, we had a good laugh about it.
Good,
so,
yeah, good laugh at the end. Nobody got seriously hurt.
I was not hurt except for my pride.
Oh, fantastic. Now, outside of the classroom, what do you do when you're not in the classroom?
Well, I sing. I lead worship at the church that I go to, and I have some other venues. I'm learning to play the guitar with my oldest daughter. That's kind of my newest thing. I'm not very good, but I've got a long time to practice, so there's always opportunity for that. And I have 2 kids, and a dog, and they all fill up my time pretty easily. So trying to find a quiet moment to relax. Yeah.
Cool. Well, I appreciate you taking time out of your day. I know you're busy with, planning, lesson plans for your next class and something coming up tomorrow and the day after and the day after. So, thanks for stopping by and sharing a few minutes of your time with us and letting us get to know you and hanging out.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Well, thanks for joining us. Be sure to like us, follow us, join us, share us.
Don't forget to like our YouTube channel and subscribe, and check out more of our videos on Learn for Free Friday.
And to register for classes with Suzanne, visit our website, www.tcworkshop.com.